Okay, here we are again on the Ilhabela Tombos cachoeira. This is the second one, it's the middle one. So look at that, there's that small thing. This is a small cachoeira, nothing like the first one. The huge one, that one is from the top. So yeah, the tiny thing, a lot of vegetation everywhere, and yeah, that's it. It looks like a big fall, but I'm not for sure. Cannot go very further because it's slippery. Yeah. So this is the water coming out from that small portion of the waterfall, forming that way, go over this plants and goes there. Amazing, huh? Let me take you go there now. Okay. See you on the third and last one, the bottom one. Catch you.